I know.
No, the knives are good. We couldn't find the
cartoon stuff.
The cartoon stuff.
Yes. Nobody wants it.
Which one is that? This one?
And those glasses that you just put back.
Oh, you driving?
Oh yeah, look at them.
We go in
Hey, say hi to
different
them. Say hi to them.
Hi them, hi them.
They like you.
They like.
Good morning, Philippines!
Okay guys, nalinis na pala dito. I mean, hindi nalinis. Wala na masyadong gamit. Dalhin ko sana yan sa bahay. Kaso, tawag nito. Basura na lang yan. Ito dalhin sa bahay. Linisin lang yan. Ito, meron pa dito. Konti na lang. Okay. This car is on. Inon, sasakyan ito ni Biyenan.
Oh, the car's running?
Yeah. Do you want me to shut it off?
Jump it.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's just even the turn it on, it works. Okay. Oh my god, this is the car of my mother-in-law. Look, it's a Lexus, guys. I never... Look, it's a nice car. How to turn it off? Okay, I think that's it. Andrea! Oh my god. Jesus. I forgot to put the window up and I've shut it off. I forgot to put the window up.
That's alright. We're gonna move it.
Oh.
Here.
Okay, hold on. This is the
I'll move this out of the way so you can see it.
Okay, this is the how do you call this? Counter?
Bar.
A bar. Oh my goodness, look at
So yeah, so there's the... This is the wine thing.
You gonna bring it?
Well, you're gonna take it, right?
No.
This is the only thing that has all the parts.
Yeah, but not new boxes.
Oh, that's cool.
Really,
That's really old stuff. There's something, or maybe Isabel want it.
This glass is too tall. You need to put it back.
That
so
one
we
there,
get something
that
else to
one.
put it in.
I don't know what this is.
It's an old thingy. It's not even a monkey. That's not the one Isabel looking for, right?
Long glass clown.
It's a clown?
Long glass clown. Oh, there's two of them. Wait, hold
One
on.
on each side.
It's brother and sister.
They have birth certificate.
They got a birth certificate, that's right.
That I can put in the box.
Yeah. Honey, you already bring it, hon?
Yeah.
Seriously? But how about this ants? What is this?
Those are old, they used to put brandy in them.
Brandy?
Yep.
I'll fit in this thing.
What the heck?
This is voodoo.
Oh my god, that's a witchy craft.
This old stuff.
Oh my god,
Be careful
look
with
at
that.
this. What is that really, honey? It's
This-
a wine too?
Yeah.
It's cherry brandy in both of them.
Really?
Yep.
What the heck? It's not open?
Nope.
Nope.
Never been
No
open.
wax sealed. Those were the old days. They wax sealed. No
Oh
cork.
my god. You think that still can drink that?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's alcohol. Yeah.
What the heck? Your parents buy this and never open and drink?
Well, they had so
Look at
much
it,
other
look at it.
stuff.
Okay,
You know,
thank
they
you.
were very. It was very decorative.
Oh wait, there's even more.
Where?
Right
Yeah,
there.
up there,
Look at that
on
one
top.
up there. Grab that one there, the vase. That's brandy.
Oh, this is like...
Got it?
No,
Here,
it's
hold it for
empty. It's empty.
Oh, they drank this one. They got to.
It's a weird thing, hun.
They're nice things. What are you talking
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah, it's empty. They drank
hun.
it. They got it.
about? I don't think they got it. I think it just got
Just
air.
emptied out. Cause, yeah, I got it. Evaporated.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see the whole counter. This is a really nice thing over
Any
here.
other weird shit like that?
How about
Probably
this?
go in a second layer.
Angelo and Andrea want this?
Well, so then, what do you want left? Can you double up the whiskey shot glasses in there, in the bottom?
It's always plastic.
It
Not, not like that.
Oh, this is weird, guys. This is a bottle. This is look at this. It's a flat one.
Cherry look cool. All right, which ones do you want now?
This is
Keep on going with those.
this is garbage. This like what the heck? Is there you guys have a story for this? No, there's no sentimental value with this. Nothing, huh? Made in Hong Kong.
Burgundy wine. This is
Ang dami eh. You should, Angelo, you should put this thing on that will go down.
Well, we have
What's
to
that?
pack those up.
You should put this in the thing before it
We're
go
gonna
down.
wrap it up later.
Entire farm is surrounded by large operating dairy farm and lovely countryside, excellent views.
Okay, what is that all about?
$79,500.
Really?
Wow. That's
How
fucking
much?
amazing. $79,000.
Wow, that's like
58 acres.
holy cow.
That's fucking funny.
Where? Who bought it? Is it? Who kept that?
What?
Who kept that?
My father.
Okay, guys, they told me this is where the party before. Okay, party, bathroom, space here, space here. Okay, so hey, we're gonna throw that out, honey. Not done yet.
Almost.
Tom, oh, look at this. You put everything in the thing. Look at my husband.
All right, so here, here's what's left, and I got.
Well, I got a bunch of spaces still here. I just gotta need
It's already 3 o'clock, honey.
We're almost done. The box. Once we fill the box, that's it. We're finished.
This area here is done too, right?
I got a pizza.
There's no more here.
I got my burn clothes.
My burn clothes.
My burn clothes.
She's very, no, honey. She's.
My burn clothes.
Hey, I put the camera here. Don't knock it down. Okay? But why you cannot do it quick? Fine, it's garbage. Hickory, 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 dickory, duck. Hickory, dickory, duck. Hello, what is this for, hun? To what to do? To do what? Really? Garbage? Hey, what are you doing?
Put back. Oh, I'll hand you crap.
No.
I'll hand it to you.
Mga basura po ito, guys. Baby barrel, guys. It's not plastic like Philippines. Han, I'll throw this out, oh, garbage, ah.
What is it from?
I don't know, it's just like garbage.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Did you find your camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oh, so that's the only thing you got left is those four tall stems, right?
Yeah.
That's stainless steel dip trays.
Stainless steel? So
Yeah,
why
that's
is
metal.
it?
So if you're not keeping it, it goes out in the metal
The floor
bag.
gets wet, boys and girls.
Those are the dip trays and that's apple core. You take the apple and
You took pictures of Angelo, like those little things with the handles. You probably threw them away.
yeah.
He likes that kind of
Oh,
crap.
that garbage here.
You
Colorful
who?
little handle things. Yeah, these things. Like I don't know.
You
what
have
they
a
got
charge
going
on your account for
Oh,
nails.
you want it? It's
I don't
like that.
know. That's what I said. You should take a picture for Angelo.
No, they charged it, so they must have shipped it.
You could
They
ask
don't.
Angelo.
No more glasses for garbage over there, hun.
I don't know yet.
What is this?
That's a knife holder.
Oh, no. Okay, regular garbage.
Yeah. There's two really nice knives, and we never found the third one.
This is a long opener. Just... What is it?
That's garbage.
What?
I don't know what Maryan's gonna do. I don't know.
I'm guessing it's a lot. Yeah. So
What
it's
is
squares.
this thing? You know this thing's down here?
That's,
What
yeah,
is
that's
this?
a remote for a fan. Oh yeah.
I'll put this outside garbage still.
You know what? You should take one of those things and put this stuff in them. I'm not taking this, but these
No,
things.
those are the knobs are to the thing upstairs.
This?
The knobs. That's just cheap.
No, that's what I'm
freaking
saying. A
closet
glass, a jar, or something, and put this stuff in so she
Okay.
This goes out.
What's this one?
No.
This goes out.
What for?
This goes out. Piece bag.
Oh, this is metal? That regular garbage?
This is not regular. It's already regular.
whatever this is. Are you waiting for the other?
I know.
No, the knives are good. We couldn't find the third one.
stuff.
What
Oh,
about
the
this?
carton
That's
stuff.
garbage. Nobody wants it.
Which one is that? This one?
And those glasses that you just put back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you never found the third
Why
carving
you
knife,
need
right?
these glasses?
No, but it's around somewhere, obviously.
Tommy, there's an adding machine or some piece of metal.
There's two of them
there.
down
There's
here.
a couple of them. Want to hand them to me? And I'll
I'm gonna
try
put
to
these
get
up
them
here
out.
now. See if you find the set.
Okay guys, we are going home. And, yan. Alis na kami. Eh, kasi it's 5 something na. What time is it? 5:10. And then si Roxy at Misty. Oh, I have to let Tommy to do this thing. Let me close this blind kasi may makakita, diba? Yan, close the blind.
They want 9-month commitment.
Okay.
She said she could bring it down to 6.
Okay guys, we are leaving na. Okay, kasi ano na oras.
Could be another day. Oh, you driving?
Oh yeah, look at
Why
them.
we go in
Hey, say hi to
different
them.
directions?
Say hi to them.
Hi them, hi them.
They like you.
They like me?
Yeah.
They like that I have the same
No, they like
furry
your
clothes on every day.
They like your personality. Look.
Who likes her?
Oh, well, tell them that they're the only ones that do.
They like Andrea, our viewers.
Anyhow, drive
Bye.
carefully, and I'm glad that I take a different road than you.
You
Yeah,
too.
let me know about Wednesday or what's your plan. Okay?
Yeah, if you don't want to do anything here on Wednesday, like if I stay overnight on Tuesday, then I have to work here on
Yeah.
Wednesday, which is fine if you want to do stuff, but I'll be working.
Yeah, I will be. I plan to do in the kitchen, like clear up the kitchen area.
I mean,
Yeah, but let me know what, and then I will
all
let
right,
you know
we'll
what's
talk.
what.
We'll
okay?
talk. But Isabel's Tuesday. Isabel's coming tomorrow night. Monday night.
Monday night. Bye.
See you later.
Okay, so. Okay, guys, we're leaving na. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
See you later. Oh, I know, baby. I know. Okay. Hold on. What, Misty? What? I know. Come here, Audis. I know we are back. I know we're back. I know. Let's go, Pepe. Go, Pepe. Come here. Let's go. Come here. Go, Pepe. Go, Pepe. I know. I love you. I love you. I love you. I know. Come on. Let's go, Pepe. Come on. Let's go, Pepe. Come on. I know. I know. Jesus. I know. Sus, ginawa ko. Okay, let's go, Pepe. Come. Come on. Let's go. Come, let's go. Go, Pepe, Roxy. Go, Pepe. Go, Pepe. Go, Pepe. Hurry up. I know. Go, Pepe, Misty. Quick. Quick, go, Pepe. I know you mad. You're mad? You're mad at me? You're mad at me? Are you mad at me? I love you. Come here, Misty. Come, let's go, let's go. Where's Dada? Aray, ginoo ko. Lupad man, lupad. Okay, where's Dada? Huh? Dada? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, nagluluto lang ako ng rice. Nagluto ako ng rice kasi wala na pala akong rice and yung ko, yung sabaw lang yung namin. What are you going to have? I'm gonna have just the soup and the other vegetables, string beans. There's chicken over there too, hon.
I may do that too, but I'm starting off.
So you get the bill?
Yeah.
Oh, you get the NeuroShield meal? I don't
From
see
yesterday.
anything.
Yeah, it was from yesterday.
Okay.
But today I didn't get it.
So, yun guys, the rice is not done yet. I'm not gonna eat until the rice is not ready because the soup.
Why don't you eat the soup?
No, the soup and the rice is the best policy. Kakain lang kami ng dinner. And napagod guys. And yun. So tapos na yung ano, hindi pa, mayroon na silang mga binibigay na ano kung magkano yung bahay. Yung lupa, sabi pa ng nagtingin doon, ang pinaka ano daw doon maganda is yung lugar, yung lupa kung saan siya nakapwesto. Kasi yung lugar na yun is maganda siya na lugar, maganda na yung location. So, yun yung bahay. Kapag may bibili na may pera, tutumbahin yun or ano, or i-renovate sa loob ng bahay. Pero, hindi namin alam. Pero, yun. Pero, okay naman yun yung kung magkano. Pero, hindi pa talaga alam kung magkaano talaga yung presyo. Right, Han?
Yes, lumpy buy is right.
What?
Lumpy buy high, that's it.
Lumpy bahay. Why? I don't see any lumpy bahay.
I mean, I prefer my buy high to be smooth, but you know, sometimes you like the chunky one, like the peanut butter. You got lumpy buy high.
Lumpy bahay. Anyway, guys, so yun. The kids not really eating.
The cats ate.
Yeah, Dimples eat. I only see Hubs, honey.
They pulled that out, both ate.
Really?
Yeah, and
Roxy
Roxy ate, Missy's work.
is still eating. So anyway guys, kakain lang kami guys. And I'm going to end the vlog kasi napagod kami doon. Pagkatapos ng ano, habang nag-ano yung realtor doon, kami naman nag-ano ng mga papel, nagpumunta sa basement. Yun, ang daming mga anik-anik. So yun. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys sa panunood. Pahinga lang kami. And yun, thank you so much. Say bye-bye, honey.
Hi guys.
No, you have to come here. I thought you gave Roxy already the...
I know, but then you always wait till when Missy eats and you want me to give her something else so she knows that's out.
Say good night and bye.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
See you tomorrow.
We went through this. I don't see nobody tomorrow. They see me, maybe, but I need a two-way camera if you want me to see them tomorrow.
Anyway guys, you will see us tomorrow in the YouTube. In the YouTube here. Anyway, bye. Good night guys. Good night. Allah, he really eating the thing on the cellophane. Oh my god. He really likes that. It's like an addiction. We have to hide it. We have to put it somewhere, honey, that he cannot see this bag. He's like, he is crazy. Wait, what happened to your brother? Where you think you're going? I just give you your dindin treaties. I just did. Yeah, I just did. Where is Misty? Where is she? Where is she?